for tracking this Sunday here on Republic TV. 3 encounters broke out in Jammu and Kashmir's south region, Shopian and Anantnag districts. While the Anantnag encounter has ended, an encounter is still underway in Shopian. In fact, 2 encounters are underway in Shopian. 8 terrorists have been killed in the Shopian encounters. It is a big win for our security forces. Red letter day for our security forces. 1 terrorist, meanwhile, was neutralized in the encounter in Anantnag, and 1 terrorist was captured alive in Anantnag as well. Meanwhile, in Shopian, encounters and operations underway in Kachidora and Dragad villages, where in the Dragad encounter, 8 terrorists have been gunned down, and top sources have told Republic TV that 4 of these 8 terrorists belong to Pakistan. Let's listen to what Jammu and Kashmir's DGP SP Vaid had to say.
रात को पेट दियालगाम एक अनंतनाग में जगह है, वहाँ की खबर थी। तो 2 टेररिस्ट एक घर में थे। हमने कोशिश की उनके फैमिली को 2 किलोमीटर से लाके कि सरेंडर किया जाए, लेकिन रऊफ खांडे जो टेररिस्ट था उसने सरेंडर करने के बजाय फायर किया। अल्टीमेटली सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस और पुलिस को उसको रिटेलिएट करके मारना पड़ा। और दूसरे टेररिस्ट इरफान रशीद को जिंदा पकड़ा है। इसके साथ साथ 2 जगह शुपैया में भी इनकाउंटर चल रहे हैं, ड्रगड में और काचडूरा में। ड्रगड में अभी तक 7 डेड बॉडीज़ टेररिस्ट की मिली हैं, उसमें इम्पॉर्टेंट लोग हैं और उनके साथ वेपन भी काफ़ी रिकवर हुए हैं। काचडूरा में भी इनकाउंटर चल रहा है, 3 से 4 टेररिस्ट की खबर है, लेकिन कुछ सिविलियन ट्रैप्ड हैं उन घरों में, तो उनको निकालने की कोशिश की जा रही है।
And now we have Zinat Zishan Fazal joining us with more details and latest updates. Zinat, encounter underway in Dragad village and Kachdora. What is the latest you're picking up?
Absolutely, Krishna. The encounter is underway in both the villages of Kachidora and Dagar. And so far, there are the confirmation that we are picking is that the 8 militants have been neutralized in the Dragad village, and also the encounter is underway in Kachidora. There was a hostage made by the militants, and there was a rescue operations going on. So that is why the security force could not start the operation in a better way. But yes, in Kachidora, encounter is also underway, and also in Dragad, the reports of the 8 militants have been neutralized in the encounter. And also, this is a big information, big encounter, and a big setback coming for the militants at present, when particularly in the South Kashmir, because by killing all the militants in one single day, it's more like a terror setback. It is a big setback to the terror outfits, and obviously a big win for the forces who have been day in and out trying to eliminate these militants to establish peace in the valley.
Right, confirm this for us. All the operations in the Anantnag encounter are over after 1 terrorist was neutralized and 1 was captured alive.
One militant was neutralized, and also the ammunition and other incriminating material was recovered from the encounter side. But in Kachidora, we are getting the reports that the 2 militants have been neutralized in that operation. But yes, still the operation in Kachidora is on, and it is when it comes to the Dhagar operation, yes, it is in the concluding stage at present. We are speaking from our sources, and also the search part is also taking place at the one side of the house to see if at all any other militant is alive.
Right, and talk to us about the Kachidora village encounter. 5 terrorists are feared trapped over there.
Yes, absolutely. This is what we are picking from the sources, that the information of 5 militants trapped in Kachidora village. They are trapped in one of the house. And also what we are picking now is that the 2 militants have been eliminated, though so far there has not been any official confirmation, but this is the source with information that we are picking, that the 2 militants have been neutralized in the Kachidora village in South Kashmir's Shopian district.
Right, and the final count so far, as far as the Dragad encounter is concerned, 8 terrorists have been killed and 4 of them have been identified as Pakistan nationals. Zinat, stay with us. We have Lieutenant General B.S. Jaswal joining us on the phone line. Lieutenant General B.S. Jaswal, it's a red letter day for our security forces. 9 terrorists have been neutralized in all.
Yes, I think I should congratulate our security forces. I'll give you the why part of it for the success. You see, the people are fed up of the terrorists, and they are being put through a realm of coercion. And obviously, when people, because they are the center of gravity, when they don't accept the diktats of the terrorists, intelligence outflow to the security forces will increase. 3 encounters, 9 terrorists. This is exactly an extrapolation of what I've said. So I think it's a great success. And South Kashmir, which is the hub of these terrorists, I think slowly they're all going to get decimated because the people are turning against the terrorists. All the protagonists, they're becoming the antagonists to the terrorists.
Right. Lieutenant General B.S. Jaswal, we also now have confirmation that 4 of the terrorists killed in the encounter in Dragarh and Shopian were Pakistani nationals. Meanwhile, 1 terrorist has been captured alive in Anantnag. These are important developments as far as the overall scheme of crushing terror in the valley is concerned.
Yes, I do agree. What is happening is that the leadership in the valley has been decimated to a large extent. Now, these terrorists, the 4 Pakistani nationals who have been apprehended, it's not necessary to say that they have infiltrated from the LC side. They could have come via Nepal as ordinary travelers and then, of course, joined the ranks out here to provide leadership. There is a leadership deficit, so you will find a lot of Pakistani leaders now coming in through various routes, not necessarily through the LC. The person who's been caught, I'm sure he will reveal a lot of intelligence regarding the modus vivendi, and that will definitely invigorate our operations in that area.
Right, and on a day like this, you still have another encounter that is underway in Kachdora. 5 terrorists have been feared trapped over there. This even as evacuation operations are on of the civilians.
You see, the core issue is flow of intelligence. These are specific operations. Specific operations only take place when specific intelligence is provided. That is what I'm trying to highlight, that now people are fed up. They're fed up of the coercion. They are fed up of the paralysis these terrorists are prosecuting in the valley. And that's the reason people are turning against the terrorists. This is a great thing. The inflow is coming in of intelligence, and we will keep getting success.
Right, Lieutenant General B.S. Jaswal, Republic TV's contributor, thank you so much for joining us on this day in which some total of 9 terrorists have been killed across 3 encounters. Keep in mind, 1 encounter that's on Shopian in Kachdora village. 5 terrorists are feared trapped. This even as we understand that 4 security forces personnel have been injured. We have Zinat still joining us live. Zinat, 4 security personnel have been reportedly injured.
Yes, they have been injured in 3 different encounters that are taking place. Out of which 1 is right now going at the Kachdora, and the 1 is has entered into its last phase. These army personnel were injured in this encounter. So far, they were taking the treatment in the army-based hospital. But what we are thinking is that all the people are stable. Their conditions are absolutely stable.
Right, and so far, talk to us about the operation in Dragarh village. How close to completion are they? Have all terrorists over there been eliminated? Are coordinate search operations underway over there?
Absolutely, the operation is in the last stage, because what we are thinking is that the 7 bodies have been retrieved, and also they are looking for the 8th body. So the search operation is underway. And what we are thinking is that the operation will be called off soon to minimize the civilian loss, because there have been the intense clashes that were going on between the civilians and the security forces in and adjoining areas of Shopian, and also the Dragarh village witnessed a massive protest. So to minimize the civilian casualty or the injury, the operation will be called off soon.